This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Mike Vail. C for miles. This property has a new access road installed to the building site. Drive up and look, picturing your home site and taking advantage of this gorgeous 180-degree view to the islands. You can landscape and use this 10 acres as you see fit while living on this almost secluded lot. Towns are just minutes, as are the schools. Includes well, septic design, and road to the lot. Corners are marked. This is one of the best available properties in Whatcom County. Don't miss this fantastic value. For more information, review the details below.